The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, western DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Angelina County in eastern Texas, Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, northwestern San Augustine County in eastern Texas, Shelby County in eastern Texas, southeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, southern Panola County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Rusk County in northeastern Texas, until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 7 miles east of New Salem to 5 miles southwest of Wells, or along a line from 16 miles south of Henderson to 18 miles northwest of Lufkin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Center, Diabol, Hudson, Huntington, Stonewall, Logansport, Alto, Tanana, Timpson, Garrison, Joaquin, Wells, Martinsville, Melrose, Woden, Newville, Troy, and Atoyle. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday for portions of northwest Louisiana and northeast Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard. The National Weather Service in Shreveport